Envisioning a future, bridging the supreme in technology, finest in aesthetics, and versatile in functionality. Setting new milestones to achieve in our endeavor to provide the best in the industry. Infusing design and technology to its product revolution, focused on mastery of skill and construction, style and safety. Embedding utilities to create extraordinary product experiences. Maintaining a consistent focus on innovation. SMK was born to create world-class, superior products for the passionate who love their rides. Combining the commitment of enthusiastic professionals with dedicated craftsmanship, we started manufacturing quality products that would provide style, safety and comfort to the motorcycle riders. With a modern infrastructure using advanced technologies, our production scale spans a wide 25,000 square meter facility comprising of multi-layered manufacturing processes. Our large-scale in-house operations include products design, state-of-the-art tooling facility, automatic molding lines, automatic painting lines, extensive CNC cutting and stitching facilities for internal comfort liners, EPS production lines, completely automated anti-fog and anti-scratch coating lines for shields, modern sputtering and metallizing lines for special coatings on shields, conveyorized assembly lines, and a concentrated division for application of graphics. With an experience of 35 years, we understand and accomplish the latest trends in customer requirements. We bring forth strong backward integration to enable strict quality control and a fast turnaround time for improvements. We believe in the safety of our customers as our pinnacle priority, and we leave no stone unturned to ensure the same during our manufacturing processes. SMK incorporates a motivated, goal-oriented and dynamic team which gives full respect and deliverance to the product. Having a global presence in the last 3 decades, we not only believe in providing a great journey to motorcycle riders all around the world, but we feel ourselves to be a part of that journey.
SMK Helmets.